Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put picture in green screen overlay on the CapCut Mobile. So first, just prepare your picture and add it as or on the main track here in the CapCut editing page like this. Then click on overlay and add the green screen overlay that you want. Here I'm going to just use one from the stock video. So click on the green screen section. Just choose the green screen that you want. So for example, I'm going to add this green screen TV overlay. Click on add. Now just adjust the size. Okay, I'm going to change the ratio to match with the green screen, I think, like this. Okay, now just remove the green screen by going to the chroma key under the remove background menu. Here adjust the intensity and also the shadow. So you can see that the position of the photo is a little bit off, so just click on the photo. So first match the duration. I'm going to match the duration to match with the green screen, for example. And here adjust the photo position by clicking on the photo and drag it like this. Okay, so that's it. It is done, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.